You don't need paid tools to find the best-selling products on Etsy, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. You can use this method for any product or niche. I type funny t-shirt into the search bar. Of course, I get a mix of shirts that match my query. At the top, there are different filter buttons. What we're interested in is selecting star sellers. If, for some reason, the button isn't up here, click on All Filters and check the star seller box there. So first, filter by star sellers. As you can see now, all the shirts and designs on this page are only from star sellers. But that's not quite what we need. We're after the best-selling products. Surprise, surprise, Etsy doesn't share that information willingly, so we're going to trick it. Up here in the URL, delete the word star and replace it with best. Hit enter and there it is. Now we're only seeing the best-selling t-shirts and designs that match my query, funny t-shirts. The bestseller badge isn't handed out just like that. I know from my own experience that it's assigned to products that sell well, and when sales drop, Etsy removes that badge. That's why this info is actually trustworthy. Next, you can click on a product you're interested in to get a bit more information. Here it shows that this shirt was viewed over 20 times in the past 24 hours. We can also see it has 98 reviews, which usually means a lot of sales. Let's check that. In another browser, I have the same query filtered by bestsellers, but here I also have Everbee. Scroll down to the same t-shirt and we see it has 73 monthly sales. In total, 760 of these shirts were sold in 10 months. Of course, Everbee is a great tool, but I completely understand that not everyone can use paid tools, no matter how good they are. That's why the method I just showed you is a great alternative. Just in case, here's a quick recap. First, select star sellers, then in the URL, change the word star to best and press enter. Hope this comes in handy. That's it for today. Wishing you all the best.